Welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday to all of y'all. And today I got a little bit of something for everyone. We got our, we got the Pokemon. We're going to open this tin and I'll let y'all in on a little secret. If you find these at Walmart and along with a Crimson Invasion ETB, the ETBs are $22 and this box is only $7. Well, $8. So, I opened one already, and it has, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a Cosmic Eclipse. That's a lie. It's a Crimson Invasion, unfortunately. So we're going to open that. And then I have my redemption card from Panini Contenders Basketball that we will open. Y'all will see what that is. And then for my Magic people, I did pull Tiamat, the Dragon God. So here he is. Because after I made my last video, I went out and got a few more packs. Or no, I bought 3 packs. And in the first pack, pulled Tiamat. So there he is. Out of the new Dungeons and Dragons Adventures into the Forgotten Realms. So there, I will be making a deck with this little guy. And it's going to be great. So, let's get into the redemption. I've been waiting a pretty good while for this thing. So, I of course know what it is. Y'all might know, because I did mention it before. I'm going to put something over that. Yeah, we'll use this dragon. Oh man, this is huge. Or it's in a nice case. This is my first redemption card that I have ever got. So this is going to be fun for me. And 1, 2, 3. It is Obi Toppin, I think Premium Edition Green Shimmer. Rookie card. So this thing is amazing. Oh. So shiny. Here is the back. New York Knicks. And yes, I believe on-card autograph. I don't think they're numbered, unfortunately. I wish it was. That would be really cool. So yeah, there he is. That is a huge case. I'm gonna leave it in this case. Because the card don't move in here. There we go. Put you over there. Close up this box. And let's get into this lunchbox, or as they say, treasure box. Now, I know for a fact that there is evolutions, so that's a plus, and burning shadows. So there are, for $8, getting 5 packs, and then just a bunch of bonus stuff. I've opened one of these already on my channel, so I'm not going to go through what else is in here. We're just going to pull the packs out, because there is a lot of stuff. So, let's see, Sword and Shield. You get two of these. And then, like I said, you get the Crimson Invasion instead of Cosmic Eclipse, which sucks, but oh well. Our Burning Shadows. And our beloved Evolutions booster pack. So we will close that up, put it over here. And let's open some Pokemon. Sword and Shield base set. Does not like me whatsoever. And I doubt it will like me today. 3 to the front. Dark for Umbreon. Alright. We have Doug Trio. Pokemon Center Lady. Energy Retrieval. Baltoy. Salandit. Ponyta. Mencino. Sobble. Reverse Baltoy. And Cloyster. And then, because you get 2 of these, it makes you want to hit yourself in the head. Alright, energy is Leaf for our Leafeon. Alright, Aroma Energy, Double, Quillfish, Cottony, Scorbunny, Silicobra, Yampa, Grookey, Reverse Meowth, and NDDV. Not bad on that. I think that might be the first time I really ever pulled anything out of that set. And now for Crimson Invasion. Alright, code 3 Flipping Water, starting with Vaporeon. Let's go. Psychic Memory, Mawile, a Graveler, Mencino, Nummel, Swinub, Swablu, Spoink, Staryu. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, wow. Katana GX Rainbow Rare. And what's even better is that the centering is great on this thing. Yes. I am happy about this. That's a pretty card. We will, I'm going to top load this real quick. Let me pull my loaders out. We'll put them in because I am happy with that. Woohoo! There he is. That's cool. Alright. I am satisfied with this 10. Even though I was satisfied before just because it's only $7. But we still have 2 packs, Burning Shadows and Evolutions to go. Another Leaf for Leafeon. Alright, Olivia, Quay, Rhydon, Snuffle, Meowth, Crabrawler, little Charmander, Sneasel again, and Weevil. Jesus, lots of all in a row. That's hilarious. Alright, move that aside and going in for the evolutions. I will give you the code card after I open the pack. Alright. 3 to the front, no flipping. Alright, Metapod. Professor Oak's Hint. Double colorless energy. Charmander. Rattata. Caterpie. Magnemite. Voltorb. Reverse Drowsy. And a lame Beedrill. So that will be it today. I'm just gonna go ahead and look at this one more time just because I love it. Really cool. So that will do it for today. I will see y'all sometime next week. I will probably have more Magic to open because the Dungeons and Dragons set is amazing. So tune in next week and I will be opening more of that. See ya.